Hello. Today we will learn how to install Homebrew in our system. First of all, don't feel shy if you don't know what Homebrew is. Let me help here. Homebrew is a tool which provides the easiest and most flexible way to install the softwares for Mac OS. That's it. No big deal. Okay, now you know what Homebrew is. So, let's start with its installation. Open your browser and go to brew.sh website. Now under the Install Homebrew title, copy the line of code by clicking on copy icon. Go to your terminal and paste the copied code and run it. If prompted to enter the password, enter it and continue. Now press enter or return to continue installing Homebrew. It will take some time to install all the related packages. You can have a nice cup of tea or coffee while Homebrew is installing. Great! It is installed. You can ignore the errors or warnings if you are getting the message that Homebrew is installed successfully. Now you can run the command, brew help, and explore the various things that you can do with Homebrew. I hope you enjoyed both your cup of tea or coffee and the smooth Homebrew installation. It's time to say goodbye for now. But don't forget to visit us again. See you next time.